Hello, welcome to a new video. Today we will look at the section in engineering drawings and examples of where they are used. Section view in the engineering drawings are used in the representation of hollow parts and for dimensioning them. They are shown as visible edges and contours beyond the plane of the cut in the section image. Originally, hidden edges shall be shown in the section as visible edges and contours by a solid ticked line. When the section is shown on the engineering drawings, the section and cross-section shall be identified by a pair of identical capital letters. The same letters shall be written next to the reference arrows, which indicate the direction of the view of the section or cross-section and are placed at the ends of the section lines. The position of the cutting plane is indicated by a dotted line. When the cutting plane is changed, the cutting line is formed only towards to the end of the cutting plane to the point at which the direction of the cutting plane is changed. When hatching a cut part, the standard universal hatching pattern is used with parallel continuous thin lines at the angle of 45 degrees to the main contours of the part. This is how the cut looks like when the cut is in one plane of the part. In these pictures we can see the cut in two intersecting planes. This is what a cut like in three adjacent planes and a cut partially outside the part looks like. Another frequently used cut is the so-called local cut, which is used often to save space on the drawing. In this case, the cut doesn't need to be drawn across the whole part, but only at the point where something needs to be shown. It is everything for today. In next video we will look on the section cuts. Thank you for watching and see you in next time.